In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a survey form to your WordPress site. Surveys are a fantastic way to gather feedback, understand your audience, or even conduct research, and integrating a survey form directly into your website takes the process to the next level. Whether you're aiming to improve your services, collect opinions, or simply engage with your visitors more effectively, this tutorial will show you how to quickly and securely embed a survey form into your WordPress site. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. Now, before we dive in, if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to your WordPress site. Once you're on your homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login option. This will take you to the login screen. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Continue with Google option to sign in. Choosing this method is not only quick, but also provides an added layer of security as it uses your Google account credentials to access WordPress. When prompted, select the Google account you want to use for this site. If you're managing multiple accounts, make sure to pick the one linked to your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From here, look for the Quick Links section. It's usually visible right after you log in, and click on Edit Site. This will bring up a list of websites connected to your account. Simply select the one you want to work on, and it will open in editing mode. Now that you're in the editing interface, focus your attention on the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where we can add new elements to your site. When the search bar pops up, type in the word survey. This will narrow down your options and make it easier to find what you're looking for. From the results, click on the survey form option. This will add a survey block to your page. At this point, you'll need the URL of your survey form. If you're hosting your survey on an external platform like Google Forms or another tool, copy the link to your survey and paste it into the field provided within the survey block. Once the URL is added, you'll see an Embed button appear. Click on that and WordPress will automatically link your external survey form to your website. To make sure all your hard work is saved, head to the top right corner of the editing interface and locate the Save button. Clicking this will ensure that your changes, including the newly added survey form, are properly locked in place. It's a good habit to save regularly while working on your site to avoid losing any updates. And that's all it takes. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded a survey form into your WordPress site. This will allow your visitors to interact with your survey seamlessly while you gather valuable insights or feedback. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.